Hey guys, Charles. Welcome back. So for today's video, so we are going to Dammam Global City. We're gonna explore the new open Asyalan dito sa Dammam. Ayan guys. So papunta na kami and i-update you later. Bye bye. So ito na kami guys, naglalakad na kami and lapit na kami sa Global City. Ayan na siya. So walking na, dito na lang kami sa likod ng park guys kasi mahal ang parking sa loob. Ayan, so ikot tayo doon. Global. Ay, yan. Bilisan ko yun. Labi ka ba? So ito na guys, yung Global City. Welcome to Global City. Ayan. Picture 13 eh. Yan na guys, Global City. So papasok na tayo sa loob ng Global City. So dito ang entrance. Kailangan natin ipakita yung ticket. So ticket. So yung ticket natin nandito guys. Kailangan lang natin ng data. And then email. My email. This.
وين الثالث؟ لا تفضلي حياكم الله. Ticket please? No, from the application. You have to download the application.
We book?
Yeah.
We book no? So welcome to Global City. Ayan guys, so pina-download pa kami ng apps. Kasi nga kailangan nila ng apps. So ayun, papasok na tayo dito. Picture ka din eh. Picture ka. Ayan, makuha. So layo ng ikutan.
Hello!
So yun guys. So meron na naman checking sa kabila. Hi. Another checking.
Excuse me, ticket. Ticket. 1, 2. Okay.
Thank you. Congratulations. Ticket again. Hello. No?
شيلها
What? cannot remove. Remove this one.
خلاص تعال
Remove this one.
شيل
Huh?
وين هذيك؟ كلمة
Ayan guys, since wala tayong camera dahil pinaiwan, so we are going to use a cell phone camera. Bawal palang camera dito guys sa loob. Ayan. Kala ko picture.
Nota.
So we gonna enter Turkey 2. Turkey hanggang doon. Daming tao. Kaloka, fiesta, day. Ano daw? So
Magkano kaya yung ganyan nito? Gusto niyo?
thank you.
Kung gano'n yung smell niya. Kung tayo mo yung amoy? Good looking. YouTube.
Say hi.
Hey, hi, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Ahmed
From
from Syria.
Syria?
Yeah.
From Syria?
Mm.
You're from Syria.
Philippines. Remove the mask. Remove the mask.
Remove the
mask.
And then, which problem is here? No, down. Start.
No.
Start. Now.
What's that?
What is almond?
Almond.
Alam mo na small.
تفضل يا أبلة لو سألك تفضلي
Mm.
Ito yung ice cream na ganun-ganon.
May nakapila. Kasera tayo dun sa park.
Nakita ko yung pagkain nila na ang sarap.
Alin?
Yung parang
Kaloka.
life.
Yes, I know.
We got this.
Ay, ba? Uy, video. It's a video. I need a photo.
Stop playing with it, right? Big dot, big dot, big dot, big dot. Big dot, big dot.
Seems like Indian cuisine.
from Qatar restaurant.
Ah, this is from Qatar. You're Qatari?
Rice, all of them ordinary.
Iran, Thailand, Global City. Ako po, ang mura.
Hindi na masyadong
Tapos na guys, di kami nakapag video kasi pinaiwan yung camera namin.
Chismis.
Chismis, bawal ang camera sa loob.
Chismis si Marites.
Diyos ko, wala, sayang. Sige na, bye bye, Charis.